Multiply the two complex numbers, write the product in the form a plus bi. So we're going to do this like FOIL, just as though those i's were x's. We're just going to remember that anytime we see an I squared, we replace it with a -1. Okay, so 3 times -2, that's -6. 3 times -5i is -15i. -2i times -2 is +4i. And -2 times -5i is +10i squared. Combine my like terms, -15i and 4i, and I have -6 minus 11i plus 10i squared. But I squared is really -1, so this is -6 minus 11i plus 10 times -1. So -6 minus 11i minus 10, and -6 minus 10 is -16 minus 11i. That is option B.